Did you just hear the words latest YouTube algorithm updates and instantly panics? Like, oh no, this is going to kill my channel. Do I need to start all over again? Trust me, I've been there. Anytime YouTube announces an update, small creators panic and think that's the end. But here's the good news. If you actually understand what's changed, and you gradually build your routine around it, you can turn the updates into your biggest growth opportunity in 2025. I'm going to take my time to break down the latest YouTube algorithm update for you step by step. And trust me, I'll try as much as possible to make you easily understand what the update is all about so that you can ride on it to help you grow your channel really fast. Hey creators, welcome back. My name is Mandy Michael, and every week I give beginners and small creators the exact strategy or routine you need to finally grow your YouTube channel. And whenever YouTube makes big changes, I'm here to translate what it really means for you. So if you are serious about growing on YouTube this year, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our weekly videos, because missing these videos could literally cost you so many months of progress. Back in the year 2022, YouTube rolled out shorts in a big way. This got everyone panicking. We all thought long form content was about to die. The interesting thing is there were a few people who quickly adapted and got their channels exploding. So whilst other creators were busily growing their channels with shorts, there were a whole lot of opinions out there on how not effective shorts would be for YouTube. I guess those who were sharing those opinions didn't really understand how impactful shorts could be for creators. That's exactly what's happening now. You have to make sure you quickly understand what the YouTube algorithm update is all about so you can ride on it to gain a lot more subscribers or views for your channel. One of the biggest updates is that the YouTube algorithm no longer favors videos with watch time, but rather it favors how much viewers enjoyed the video. So in simple terms, it is now based on satisfaction signal. Gone are the days where someone will just come on YouTube to watch a particular video of yours, then YouTube will start recommending that video to a lot more people simply because of just that one person that just watched the video. Now the story has changed. The viewer has to feel that whatever that was shared in that video was of high value to him. And with the use of AI, there are so many metrics YouTube can use to know whether someone enjoyed or people enjoyed your video or not. This helps clean up YouTube and makes YouTube a more reliable source of information. I can bet that had it not been this update, there would have been a lot more of garbage people would be dropping on YouTube. Just anybody would have come to put out anything on YouTube, even if it's not accurate, and that would have gone viral. So now the YouTube update rewards creators for the value audience gets from their videos. So now this brings us to the second update. YouTube now favors consistent niches. Creators who make related videos are highly favored by the algorithm. Before, you could be making random videos in a specific niche and then the algorithm will be pushing your videos. But now you would have to pick a sub niche in a niche to be making videos on it. For example, someone can decide to make only videos about YouTube monetization, which is in the bracket of YouTube growth. So once a person is always making videos on monetization, the algorithm will tend to favor his videos more than someone who is just generally making videos on YouTube growth. Make sure to carve a sub niche in your niche to double down on that, to be making videos on that topic in that niche. Once you do that, your videos are always going to be similar to each other and every video would have something to do with the other video. This will make more sense to audience who are just looking forward for their concerns to be addressed in that particular topic. Another update is that the algorithm now prioritizes short videos that are leading to long form content. Instead of you treating shorts like how we're treating shorts in the early days of 2022, you will no longer treat shorts like that, but rather make sure your shorts are leading to a long form related content. Another update I've seen recently on my YouTube studio, which for me, I think by far it will be a great access to all small creators, is the opportunity opportunity to call for a collaboration with any creator of your choice. Yes, you heard me right. You now have the power to request for a collaboration with any creator of your choice on YouTube. This will help small creators greatly by getting more reach. For me, I'm so excited about this update, and I'd love to make a request to collaborate with any creator that is in this my niche anytime soon. With that said, I'm also open for collaborations with anybody who is in this same niche and is willing to collaborate a video with me. But what you have to note is that with this particular opportunity, you just don't collaborate with your favorite creator on any random topic. Make sure that the topic you are collaborating with is a trending topic, so that you can both ride on that trending topic, so that you can both ride on the buzz that comes with that trending topic. You wouldn't want to pick a topic that no one is interested in or no one cares about. Once you do that, it will feel like a wasted effort. So with all these said, you have to note that the update isn't punishing small creators. It is rather punishing randomness and rewarding strategy. Most small creators misinterpret updates in so many ways. They think that the algorithm has changed, and for that matter, they need to chase trends. Chasing trends is a wrong thing to do, and for that matter, you shouldn't be looking at it that way. They think that the algorithm has changed, and for that matter, they need to chase trends. That's entirely wrong. What they also do is that they stop uploading consistently and waiting for a perfect hack. What they don't realize is that the update is supposed to be a refinement and not a reset. My word to all small creators is that this particular update is leveling the field for all small creators, because the focus is now on viewer value and not just big budgets. So what it means is that once you have a smartphone and you have a piece of information that you can share out there to help somebody, feel free to do that, and the YouTube algorithm will reward you, because the people that would look for your video would find value in whatever you are delivering in your video. So having said all this, let me share with you the exact weekly routine you will need to thrive after this update. Make sure every week you look out for 2 searchable tutorials in your niche. These tutorials could be video topics that are evergreen, meaning video topics that a lot more people would always be searching for in the internet. Also, make sure to look out for at least 1 trending or reaction video in your niche. This could be a trending video that you also add your voice to it. And once you do that, you automatically tap into the algorithm's curiosity, which will lead you to pulling in a lot of views and subscribers. Also, make sure you are posting shorts daily or even 3 times a week. Take out important aspects or teasers in the main content. Make sure to repackage these important sections or teasers as shorts. Go ahead to post them on YouTube. Then you go ahead to link them to the related long form content. So in summary, to get the most out of this algorithm update, you have to put your biggest value moment in the first 60 seconds of your video. Make sure you are aiming for the satisfaction metrics boost. Link your videos together. Make sure you are making good use of end screens and playlists. Try as much as possible to build your videos like chapters in a book, instead of treating your videos as standalones. Content clusters are gold in 2025. Here's the truth. Updates don't destroy creators, they rather expose habits. If your habit is chasing hacks, then I'm sorry, this update will crash. But if your habit is building value-packed routines delivered consistently, then this update will accelerate you. From now onwards, think of it like this, that YouTube has raised the bar. But instead of shutting small creators out, they are rather rewarding the ones that adopt quickly. So that's the latest YouTube algorithm update, and don't fear it. Embrace it. Make sure you are using the weekly routine I just showed you, and you'll stop worrying about whether the algorithm loves you. That's where the real shift lies. If this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next weekly routine breakdown. And if you want to really understand why the recommendation system is the heart of every update, watch this video right here, how the YouTube recommendation works in 2025. It will connect the dots perfectly and give you the bigger picture. Thank you for watching, and see you in that video.